Guys, welcome back to Vivid Vartha. Around 1 month back, I have shared Minimalist Hair Growth Serum video. I have been using the product regularly since then, and this is my experience. First of all, the product is non-oily, non-sticky in nature. It has not caused any irritation or rashes. But of course, everyone's hair type and skin type is different. Now let's come to the best part. Here is before. As you can see, my hair density has reduced and my scalp is visible, and also my hair part has widened. And here is the after. I can't believe I can see much difference just within 1 month. Though my problem about hair fall and hair regrowth is not completely answered, but this difference within 1 month has really made me hopeful. I don't know if it's visible to you or not, but baby hair has started coming. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss next update about the same. See you in the next video.